In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to trim audio using VLC Media Player. VLC is completely free, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and most people already have it installed, but many don't realize it can be used for simple audio trimming without any extra software. This method is perfect if you want to cut music, podcasts, voice recordings, or audio clips quickly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't have VLC installed yet, you can download it from the official VLC website and install it in just a few minutes. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar, click on View, and from the drop-down menu, select Advanced Controls. As soon as you do this, you'll notice a few extra buttons appear near the playback controls at the bottom of VLC. One of these buttons is a red record button, and this is the key feature we'll use to trim audio. Next, open the audio file you want to trim. To do this, click on Media in the top left corner, then choose Open File, and browse your computer to select the audio file you want to edit. Once the file is open, press play briefly to confirm it's the correct audio. Now, move the playback slider to the exact point where you want your trimmed audio to begin. You can drag the slider manually, or use the play and pause buttons to be more precise. For better accuracy, you can also use the keyboard arrow keys to move frame by frame until you reach the perfect starting point. When you're ready to start trimming, click the red record button. As soon as you click record, press play. VLC will now begin recording the audio from this exact point forward. Let the audio play until you reach the point where you want the trimmed clip to end. Once you reach the desired endpoint, click the red record button again to stop recording. That's it. VLC has now created a trimmed version of your audio. There's no export window or save prompt because VLC automatically saves the trimmed audio file for you. By default, VLC saves recorded audio files in your music folder on Windows, or sometimes in your documents folder depending on your system settings. The file is usually saved in MP3 format, and the file name includes the date and time of the recording. To find it quickly, open your music folder and sort by date modified. You should see your newly trimmed audio clip right at the top. If you want to rename the file or move it to a different folder, you can do that just like any other audio file on your computer. And that's how you trim audio using VLC Media Player. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require any extra software or paid tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.